Butte Miller, your local real estate professional here, specializing in new construction in beautiful Port St. Lucie, Florida and the Treasure Coast. And today we're going to be taking a look at a beautiful model home by one of the builders here in the area, a 55 plus community called Four Seasons at Wylder. And as we walk through this beautiful floor plan, I'm going to show you some stunning design features, and this will help you give you a real feel for the kind of lifestyle you can enjoy here at Four Seasons at Wylder. And without further ado, let's go check it out. All right, so let's get started here. So I really like the color combination on here. It's really nice, fits the area very well. All right, so coming in through the front, we are going to make a left, and here we're going to see the first bedroom. And there is your closet. And then in this hall, you also have a linen closet and a regular closet to your left. And then here's the bathroom. All right, walking out of the bathroom, we're going to go down the hall and make a right. And that's going to be your laundry with the optional sink. So that is an upgrade you can get. And then that's your AC closet that you see right there. And then that's the door to go out to the garage. And then here you have an office. They do not have an option for a bedroom at this builder. But what you can do, which I really liked, the builder's idea, is to put barn door or to put a French style glass door. And then this door on your left is another closet. And here we have your living room and living area. I like it's all open concept. You can see through and through. You can entertain guests and still be in the same space as them. And here we're going around the dining area that they have. It's a little bit small for a dining area, but you can still fit quite a number of people, especially with this really big island that you have. All right, now walking through the living room to the master suite. The primary bedroom, if you want to call it that. Very nice, very airy. I like the large windows, and it has enough space for you to put a reading chair or anything like that you like. Then you walk into your bathroom, and then you have double vanities right across from each other. Then you walk through, and then you get to your closet. Very decent sized closet. And then to your left over there is going to be your toilet and then your linen closet as well. Then walking out of the bedroom, we're going to go back to the living room. And in this model, they have the 3 triple sliding door. So all those doors slide and it condenses into one. So you have a bigger opening. That is an optional feature. It does not come with the house on the base price. If Four Seasons at Wylder or any new construction community here in Port St. Lucie or the surrounding areas sound interesting to you, the first step is to contact me. Let's chat about your needs. I can provide you with the latest information, schedule a private tour, and guide you through the entire process, ensuring your interests are protected. Typically, you can explore floor plans and general ideas on the builder's website, but before you visit them, just give me a call or text me. I'll also leave my email here on the screen as well for you guys. Let my expertise work for you at absolutely no cost. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm Butte Miller, your Port St. Lucie new construction specialist. Remember, having the right representation is key when buying new. Reach out today and let's find your dream home together. See you in the next video.